On a gentle hill beneath a bright moon, Yellow Dog and Sky Blue Cat looked up with curiosity. Suddenly, they noticed the moon had lost some of its glow. Sky Blue Cat said softly, "We must find out what's happening." They climbed atop Wise Old Oak, who had lived long enough to see many mysteries. Wise Old Oak whispered, "It seems the night sprite is sad tonight." Determined, Yellow Dog and Sky Blue Cat set out to find Night Sprite. At the edge of a shimmering lake, Night Sprite sat alone, looking lonely. "Why are you sad, Night Sprite?" asked Yellow Dog kindly. "I lost my star necklace," Night Sprite sighed. "It helps the moon shine." "We'll help you," Sky Blue Cat promised, eyes twinkling. Together, they searched beneath rocks, through bushes, and around the lake. Yellow Dog's nose twitched, sensing something sparkling beneath the water. Carefully, Sky Blue Cat dipped a paw into the cool water and pulled out the glowing necklace. Night Sprite smiled brightly, and instantly the moon began to glow brighter. Grateful and happy, Night Sprite waved goodbye as Yellow Dog and Sky Blue Cat returned home, knowing friendship had made the night brighter.